Hi, I'm Tony with Conference Technologies, and today's episode of CTI-TIPS is all about maintaining a tidy job site while installing and setting a good impression with the client. Let's get started. If you ask a technician what tools are a must-have when they go out to install a display, you may get the response of a ladder, a drill, a level, or even their favorite multi-bit screwdriver. A few tools that will probably never make the list, not because of their lack of importance, is the humble shop vac, some packing blankets, electronic-approved cleaner, and a microfiber cloth. Installation of any kind can be messy. Pulling cables, hanging displays, installing cameras can generate a decent amount of mess quickly. Worksite tidiness is something we must be aware of from the moment we step on a job site. Taking care of your space prevents safety issues from arising. It gives a good impression to all that see it. The appearance of your worksite sends a message to your clients about who you are and what our business represents. It also increases productivity. At the end of any task, there will still be some level of mess on the floor. The first thing we should do is take a wet paper towel and do a quick wipe down of the baseboard where we were working, since it is a fantastic collector of dust and debris. Once we do that, we can quickly run a shop vac over the area. It takes less time to clean up the mess than it did to make the mess if you do it while you are working. Always make sure you are protecting client surfaces by putting down a few packing blankets. Another easy thing to do while we are working is to break down trash. Even the smallest of installs can generate lots of cardboard, styrofoam, and plastic. First impressions matter. Taking a few extra moments to wipe down and remove fingerprints and dust from display surfaces will go a long way. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. Please click like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, please drop us a comment in the section below. Thanks.